Hello guys. So, if your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan is running but the light kit is not working, it can be confusing because everything else seems perfectly fine. You might try switching it on multiple times, but the light still doesn't respond. This issue is actually quite common and is usually caused by simple things like a faulty bulb, loose connections, or a problem with the light kit wiring rather than a major electrical fault. Since the fan and light operate through separate connections, it's possible for one to work while the other doesn't. Once you fix the root cause, the light kit should start working normally again. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Harbor Breeze light kit quickly and safely. Try these. Step 1. Check the light bulb and replace it if needed. Step 2. Turn off power and ensure proper electrical supply. Step 3. Tighten any loose connections in the light kit. Step 4. Use the switch or remote to toggle the light properly. Step 5. Inspect the light kit for any visible damage. Step 6. Restore power and test if the light is working.